Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. Today I have flowers for all of my YouTube Valentines. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you, everyone who subscribes, everyone who watches, everyone who comments, extra Valentines for the commenters, and everyone who shares. I deeply appreciate all of you. So today I decided I actually chose to do flowers, which I have never done before. They always just came out of the moment. But I sat down with the idea in mind today and I did a ring pour to coat the canvas instead of painting the background. I decided to stretch out a ring pour. So that is what you are seeing now. And this video is kind of like a semi-tutorial because I have slowed down the flowers a bit for those of you who have asked, my asking Valentines, but not totally because I cannot um, make that long of a video. I lose my interest. So here I am using yarn, a thicker yarn, and 3 different colors of red, which I don't know what they are. I just took out all the reds and chose them not by their name, but how they looked at the moment. I made larger spirals because I thought I might want to do larger flowers. And then I picked them up with a tweezers from the inside because I had never done that before and I thought it might be nice. Here the yarn is very heavy and slippery with paint, so it's very easy if you're using tweezers to let it slip. So this is not at all what I had in mind, but it's what I have. So now I am deciding to just make regular flowers on top of these ghostly, ethereal flowers. And I sped it up. It's basically put the wiggle string on the canvas and pull. Um, Up here, when you swipe with yarn and the paint is thin in your background, you can pull most of it off and see the canvas. And on that big flower, that's what I was doing. I was trying to put more paint back onto the canvas right there. I'm not satisfied yet, so here I decide to loop around with a darker color. I've never done this before. I actually make all of this up as I go, and I am now satisfied with that flower. So yeah, I think I got as much out of the flowers as I could. Here I'm using a plastic to-go knife with some green to put some leaves and stems on the flowers to make them look a little more believable. And I decided that I would like to have a flower vase this time. So I used a toothpick to outline the opening and then put some paint on with the knife. Again, I haven't done this exactly this way before, but kind of. And I can mess this up very easily. So it's always kind of going step by step and taking it slowly. I'll swipe a little bit here, and that will be my flower pot. I thought, okay, I thought it needed something else. So I put a few gold dots on, and then I went crazy with the gold dots. And it took a very long time, so I sped it up, just dotting everywhere. And that's it. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you enjoy life and everyone that you love. Thank you for being in this channel with me, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.